young entrepreneurs I think is something which the new India is seeing, and ते young entrepreneurship वाटतले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता it is not only job employment, we need young people to come into this. As Mr. Daimian जे open केला, I think the killer brand which is there already existing and is known to everybody, which fits well into various segments of people and also age groups of people. I think is something which is required. Porvorim वाढत आसा, बार्देस तालुका वाढत आसा. This becomes a main coastal drive to the coastal hub, and ही full shopping area जाले. जशी commercial street of Bangalore, तशी ही आमची commercial street of North Goa जाल्ली आसा. ताजे खातीर the place is prime, and since he is opened up as a young entrepreneur, I wish him all the best. I'm pretty sure in this area, with proper marketing and awareness, he will have the right footfalls and right people to come in and give business to him, and for him also to grow as far as an entrepreneur. I wish him all the best.
So we have started a killer showroom in Porvorim, Chokam Road. So this store, the brand is a well-known brand which we have started in North Goa, and we have it in South Goa as well in Vasu City, and it's catering to most of your age groups. It's from young to the elders. Everyone can come in and have a look at these things. Inaugural offers will be we are on the inaugural offers, so I wish everyone comes in, have a look at our store and just see the collections, so they'll get everything, because there are a lot of brands which is coming out. Cable Kiran also has given their entire portfolio here, so the women's wear is going to come like soon, but right now we are running with the men's wear.
So this is the only showroom in North Goa, right?
This is the only showroom in North Goa.
Yeah, but nowadays you have Christmas time, so
Right.
Sales
Yes. So right now we are into a lot of marketing things, which we have our hoardings and everything coming up together. So near the mall we'll be having the hoardings, and then having social media where we'll be publishing everything. People will know about this brand and everything.
We have seen that people are buying a lot of youth attracts for this type of brand.
Sorry.
So a lot of youth mostly
Yes.
attracts for this brand.
It is basically a youth brand, but they have the entire range as well. So they are easy as a brand for the elder group age. So the youth is their major consideration is the youth, and the age group also they have all the formals and trousers and everything. They have come up with even the entire thing for the entire group age.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.